Hello. So we are here back again. We are doing the challenge of truncating a string, and we have some merry lyrics, a tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket that we have to truncate. And how we do that is by taking just the X number of first letters, right? Not words. Yeah, the first 8 or whatever letters, and the rest we're gonna fill it up with dot. So we're gonna just concatenate that, right? So we've got parameter of string, which is this, and a parameter of number, which is this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the string and we're gonna slice it, slice it, like cut it. It's different from splitting a string because it does not create an array, it creates a new string, and you need 2 arguments here. So it will create a new string that begins at whatever you want. In our case, we want it to begin at the beginning, and it ends at wherever you want. So in our case, we wanted to stop there. So that would be a tisket, and then we would do dot, and we say the new string is like this, and we return the string. And if we console.log this, we have a tisket. Now let's test if it was okay. So we do not pass all the tests, because what if you say just take the whole length or take more than the length of the string? So that would be an impossible case. So you would say if the num is bigger than the length of the string, then just return the string, and otherwise so to make things a bit more clear, we're gonna say new string, so we've got a new string and we're gonna initialize that, because otherwise I know that it's a bit weird otherwise. New string is like that. And for this one it would be greater or equal. So there we have it. We are halfway through the basic algorithm scripting. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments, and if you've liked this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It would help a lot to grow the channel. Thanks and cheers.